Hey there, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm here at Rosemead High School's Best of Times Garden, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about deciduous plants and how to prepare them for winter. So a deciduous plant just means that it's losing its leaves during the winter months. This is a survival technique. So plants drop their leaves in the winter to create a blanket around their root ball. That'll help keep their roots warm in the winter time, and also will break down, providing them food and nutrients in the spring when they're ready to start sprouting again. So we don't really have to worry about the cold weather here in Southern California, but we still do have deciduous crops. So here I've got a raspberry bush and a grapevine, and they are both deciduous, so they will re-sprout again in the spring, but for now they need to be cut back down to the ground. So as you can see, our raspberry is now just a bare stick with some dead little leaves, and I'm gonna cut the last of this branches all the way down to the ground, put this in our compost pile, and then I'm gonna put a nice layer of mulch on top, and that's going to keep our raspberry babies safe and warm over the winter season, and then in spring they're going to sprout up and cover this whole wall. So same for our grapevines. Our grapes are going to lose their leaves in a few weeks, and then we're going to cut them back so that there's just a stem, put a nice layer of mulch, and let them sit until springtime. So if you have more questions about deciduous plants, you can reach out to us through our website, ecourbangardens.org, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Bye!